we are, Sunshine Cleaning Service out in Interlachen, Florida, on a big ranch, little house on a big ranch. Cleaning up a little cedar home, and we're going to stain it. Robert's over here working on this side. You can see the difference. We've applied the chemical to this side here, and we're letting it work, and then we come back and slowly work it out.